to discuss and explain the question bank section of this web application. Here you can create question papers, add the questions. You can import questions as well for any class, any subject, nursery section A, and choose the upload file. So you can import the questions from the CSV file. Here you can import the sample file for the questions. So there's a criteria you need to fill in the form correctly, and then you can import the questions in bulk. If we go to the objective questions first, to add objective questions, select subject and theory, question level low, medium, and high. If you are adding questions and you want to create or generate a paper automatically by the system, then you have enough, you need to have enough questions in these all levels. For the generation of paper, you will be required to mention the quantity from low, from medium, and from high levels of the questions, how many you want to add in a question paper. So the system will automatically generate the question paper. You can create for any class. So here now I'm just adding the question section A, and here you can just question write question, so write an essay on my school. If you want to put any kind of information here for that particular questions, so you can copy any kind of text. I'm just adding a random paragraphs to the question paper that you can add. So number of options, you can select 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 5 options. So as many options you select from here, you will be able to see here those options will be created here. So I'm just creating 3 options. Oh, I will change the question here. Who is the founder of Pakistan? So I will just remove this one, and here you can see the marks is 2, and that is number 1 option is Allama Iqbal. Second option is Quaid-e-Azam, and the last option is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. And you save and close this question. Oh, the answer field is required, so the correct answer is B. So I'm just uh, selecting this correct answer, save and close. So that is saved. If you view this, so here you can see these are the option A, B, and C, which has been provided here. If you want to print the question, you can print that question individually. So same, you can add subjective questions. You can import them as well. Add a subjective question. English, theory, low, class nursery, marks, because this is subjective question, so we don't have any options here, and the marks are 10. So I will just add here question, read the following paragraph and write a precise note. So that is the question, and if you save and close here, that's saved. An action you can view. So that is the question. Print question, you can print that from here. True and false questions, that's another one. You can import the questions as well. So select English, theory, low, class nursery, section A, marks 2, and true and false. So the answer is true. And the question is, how many types of tenses in English? So that's how true and false. So yeah, the question needs to be like, there are 3 types tenses in English. So that is true or false, and I will save it. You can see the list here. So from print option, you can print these whole questions here as well, and from actions you can just view them, and from print options you can print them. So that's how we are adding questions to the question bank. That's our question bank. In the next video we will be going to explain how to generate a paper. So in this video we covered objective question, subjective question, true, false, and the levels of questions. So the question bank, if it is full of questions of every level, low, medium, and high level, for all of these 3 type of questions, then you will be able to generate a paper, question paper, for any class, any section. You can do that separately. Thank you very much for watching this video.